Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add any custom token to your Coinbase wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Right here, as you can see, we have all the main steps for adding a custom coin or custom token to your Coinbase wallet. First of all, you're going to navigate to Active dApp Network. Select the Settings tab, scroll down and select Active dApp Network, and then select the plus sign in the top right corner and add a custom network. Then, step number 2, add the custom network. Enter the custom network's relevant details in the fields and select Save. You can find the specific details of your preferred network with a quick search online. Once the network is saved, select it from the list of custom networks available within the Active dApp Network screen. Turn on the Active Network switch and then select Save. The custom network will now be active on network for your wallet. Use custom network. After you send the native token on the custom network to your wallet address, the balance will appear in your Coinbase wallet. You are able to send the network's native tokens to other addresses, just like any cryptocurrency available on a network supported by default. Now, before we all go to step number 4, those networks can include Solana, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Import tokens on the custom network. You are able to add tokens of the custom network that do not appear by default in Coinbase Wallet despite owning them. For example, a stablecoin on the custom network may not appear in your wallet even though you send tokens to your wallet address. Navigate to the settings, select Manage Assets, and then tap the plus sign. Enter the token's contract address, symbol, /ticker, and token decimal information. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye.